What's up, YouTube? It's your boy 904 Fats, and we are back at it again with another unboxing video. Today we have the Glock 27 Gen 5. This thing here is so little, dog. And it is clear for safety purposes. It is clear. Glock 27 Gen 5. The Glock 27 comes with two 9-round magazines. And it also comes with two beaver tails, one medium, one large. One lock for the firearm. One cleaning bore brush. And a speed loader. And you also get a owner's manual to read through everything. So let's get into the specs of the Glock 27 Gen 5. The Glock 27 Gen 5 have a barrel length of 3.43 inches long. So this is a tiny gun. Look at this thing in my hand. It also comes with the marksman barrel as well on the Gen 5s. And Glock also had put a they also did a heavy barrel for tap recoil on the firearm as well. I had to get this one because Glock is discontinuing the 40 calibers and 357s and some of the 9mm as well. So this was on my list for some time now. I had to come and get this one right here. This thing is so small, but it is beautiful as hell though. Let's see how that mag looking at. Yeah. Make sure y'all stay tuned for a shooter review. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.